Now you will learn more about your mathematics test. To open the calculator, select the Calculator button on the navigation bar. The calculator will appear in a new window. To move the calculator on the screen, select the top of the calculator and drag it to where you want to move it. Use your mouse to select the buttons on the calculator. You can also use the keyboard. To close the calculator, select the X in the upper right, or select the Calculator button on the navigation bar. A formula sheet is available on the Mathematics OLPA test. To open the formula sheet, select the Exhibit button on the navigation bar. To move the formula sheet on the screen, select the top of the formula sheet and drag it to where you want to move it. There are two ways to close the formula sheet. You may select the X in the upper right of the formula sheet, or select the Exhibit button. There are three ways to answer a multiple choice question. Select anywhere on the answer, select the circle next to the answer with A, B, C, or D, or select A, B, C, or D on your keyboard. For some questions, you will move objects to different places on the screen. Select the object you want to move and drag it to the place you want to move it. To change your answer, select what you would like to change and drag it back. Then select and move a new object. You can move the objects as many times as you need. For some questions, you can use the same object more than once to answer the question. Select the object you want to move and drag it to the place you want to move it. To change or remove your answer for these questions, select the object you would like to delete and drag it back. Drag a new object to answer the question. For some questions, you will select an object to mark your answer. There may be more than one answer. Select all the objects that answer the question. To change your answer, select the object to remove that answer. Then select a new object. For some questions, you will need to draw a line. Select the points you want to plot. A line will connect the points. There are two ways to change your answer. Select each point, or use the eraser tool to remove the points. You may then select your new points, and a line will connect the new points. For some questions, you will need to complete a bar graph. Select the location on the bar graph where the top of each bar should be. To change your answer, select another location on the bar graph to move the bar. For some questions, you will need to complete a line plot. Select the location where you would like to put your X. To change or remove your answer, select the X that you would like to remove. Then select the location where you would like to put your X. For some questions, you must enter your answer in a box. Use your computer keyboard to enter your answer in the box. You can answer using numbers, indicate fractions using the / key, and indicate decimals. If you are a grade 7 or 8 student, you can also indicate negative numbers. To change or remove your answer, select the answer box and use the backspace key on your keyboard to change or delete your answer. Then enter your new answer. The mathematics test is divided into sections. After you have answered all the questions in a section, you will see the review screen. Select the Previous button to return to any questions you want to review. Select the Next button to go to the next section. Once you go on to the next section, you will not be able to go back to any of the questions in the previous section. Before exiting the test for the day, you must complete the section that you are working in and select Next to go to the next section. To exit your mathematics test, select the Exit button on the first question in the next section. When you select the Exit button, a message will appear asking you if you want to return to the test, exit and finish the test later, or submit your final answers. You will only be able to submit your final answers if you have completed all of the items in the test. When you are done reviewing your questions and are ready to submit your mathematics test, select the Next button. Selecting the Next button will automatically submit the test for scoring. After submitting your mathematics test, select the Close TestNav button. Select the button to continue to the end of the tutorial.